Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix ASUS motherboard front panel audio jack not working issue. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Open Realtek HD Audio Manager. Now headset connected to rear side. Try to check. Now I want to disconnect headset in rear and connect headset to front panel. Click Settings icon, Option. Select AC97 front panel. Now try to play. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.